On the Edit Contact Category page, we can edit the title of a category. We can edit the alias of a category. We can change the parent item or make it a top-level category. We can edit the status by making it published, archived, or trashed. We can edit the access, make it available to registered and special users. We can change the permissions on the specific category. So when you click Set Permissions, it's going to bump you to the bottom of the page here, and here's where you can allow people to have different access to this category and whatnot. Towards the bottom here, we can also change the language. We can put in a description of this category. We can select a created by user. And we got some basic options over here on the right. There's an alternate layout if we want to use from the component or from the global options. And what this means is that there's different layouts that are supplied by the component that will override the layout of the category layout in your template. Typically, you can leave this alone unless you're doing some in-depth development, and then you may want to look at coming with some alternative layouts for your category layouts if you choose to show the categories when you publish the contacts. There's an image that can be shown for this specific category, and then there's some notes. The meta options, obviously, if we're publishing a category, we want to make sure that we have unique descriptions, and you can choose to put keywords in or not. The author is obviously the author of the content, and the robot text is going to let us know whether or not we want robots to index this information or not. And again, down at the bottom, you've got category permissions. You want to manage the permission settings for the user groups below. So what can the public do with this specific category? You can override the component permissions right here versus setting them at the top level. Hope that was helpful.